Today's word of the day is mendacious. Notice the stress is on the second syllable. It's not mendacious, it's mendacious. If it refers to a person, it means dishonest, untruthful, deceptive. For example, Mr. Miller described the chief minister as mendacious. If it refers to a piece of information, a statement, an utterance, then it means false or untrue. For example, all her claims are mendacious. She is nothing but a liar. Mendacity is its noun form. It means the quality of being untruthful. For example, political leaders are often accused of mendacity. Once again, remember the stress is on the second syllable. It's not mendacity, it's mendacity. Remember, in both the cases, we have the stress on the second syllable. Mendacious, mendacity. Mendacious, mendacity. Okay? Chalo, take care.